Minister in the Presidency, Khumbudzo Ntshavheni, visited the home of the late journalist Tshidi Madia.
Office, she was not intimidated by an issue. She confronted it head on. And she would go miles to fight for the country. I'm sure all of us will remember when she fought for the voice of South Africa inside the White House, at the Oval Office. But she didn't stop there. When she thought the messaging, you guys in the media, in particular in South Africa, you were not getting the messaging right. And there was a broadcasting house in the US that was very anti the South African government and anti-South Africa. She went to Fox. She had an interview at Fox and set the record straight, and she was not intimidated by that platform. And for an ordinary girl from Limpopo who came to Gauteng, who worked, and in this short space of time made a huge impact in her field of work, but in also making sure that the story of South Africa is told, the good and the bad, but in a manner that is constructive for this country. It is a great loss. We have requested God to receive a beautiful soul. We are going to miss her dearly, both as government, but also as ordinary South Africans who carried our message. And as the family prepares to lay her mortal remains to rest, we are going to be with them and walk the path with them. It's not going to be easy on all of us. I know that next week when we do a post-cabinet briefing, the questions from Tshidi Madia will be missing. And that is the first void we will feel. So we had an interaction with the family. They will do the necessary announcements when they are ready through the family spokespersons, and we have paid our condolences. When, depending on the arrangements, I'm sure some of us, in particular from GCIS, will join the processes of a send-off. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, colleagues, and safe drive.
For more content, subscribe to our YouTube channel at V Pride Multimedia Studio. Like, ring the bell, and share.